official said. As many as 922 birds, including 770 ducks, were culled at the Ramakrishna Mission Ashram run poultry farm, Divyan Kishi Vigyan Kendra in Morabadi. The official told to PTI on 22nd May 2024. The affected states are Andhra Pradesh, especially Nellore district, Maharashtra Nagpur district, Jharkhand Ranchi district, and Kerala Alappuzha Kottayam and Pathanamthitta districts. H5N1, that is bird flu virus, spreads from migratory birds and is known to cause outbreaks among domesticated poultry, so it's risky. Poultry birds need love and care. Bird flu virus do not normally infect humans. However, sporadic human infections with bird flu viruses have occurred. Influenza antiviral drugs can be used to treat influenza infections. Avian influenza A viruses H5, H7 and H9 are known to infect people. But don't be scared, humans. Antivirus drugs can be used to treat and prevent illness. If you get tested for bird flu, a healthcare provider may write you a prescription for an antivirus drug to treat your illness. It's important to take the medication as directed. Don't be oversmart, but.
Why bird flu every year? What is our role to control? Wait for the next video.